Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Alesis Nitro Max drum module. Let's start with the basics. First, connect all your drum pads and cymbals to their corresponding input jacks on the back of the module. There are 25 input jacks for a full 10-piece kit. Next, power on the module using the power button and adjust the master volume knob to a comfortable listening level. You can then easily select from the 40 preset drum kits using the dedicated kit buttons, allowing you to quickly find a sound you like. Now, let's dive into customizing your sound. To edit an individual drum sound, simply press the voice button and strike the pad you wish to modify. You can then adjust various parameters like volume, pitch, and reverb using the arrow buttons and value dial. For example, you can increase the reverb by up to 15 levels. Once you've crafted your perfect kit, remember to save it to one of the 20 user memory slots. This ensures your unique sound is always ready for your next session. The Alesis Nitro Max module is also a fantastic practice tool. Improve your timing by engaging the built-in metronome, which offers a wide range of tempos from 30 to 280 beats per minute. You can also play along with the 60 included play-along tracks, covering various genres to keep your practice sessions engaging. Furthermore, the module allows you to record your performances directly to its internal memory, capturing up to 5 minutes of your drumming for review and improvement. Finally, let's explore the module's connectivity and advanced features. You can connect the Nitro Max to your computer via the USB port, enabling MIDI recording in your favorite digital audio workstation or facilitating software updates. Utilize the auxiliary input jack to play along with external audio devices like your phone or MP3 player. For more precise control, delve into the advanced settings to fine-tune trigger sensitivity and curve adjustments, ensuring your drumming dynamics are perfectly captured by the module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.